In the town of Ridgewood, a guy named Tyler decided to heat up a slice of pizza in the microwave. But instead of using a plate, he thought it would be extra crispy if he put it on a sheet of aluminum foil. His friend Ben warned him, but Tyler confidently said, "I know what I'm doing." He turned on the microwave, and within seconds, sparks started flying like fireworks. The pizza flipped, the microwave smoked, and the building's fire alarm went off. When the fire department arrived, they found Tyler holding the burnt pizza, proudly saying, "At least the cheese melted." A neighbor kid named Emily had filmed the whole thing, and the video went viral on TikTok. That's how the world met Tyler the Spark Maker.